Alright, so this is the gracilis muscle. Semi-tendinous, semi-membranous, adductor femoris, and it's these two. Then we have the adductor longus, which is this little one. Then up top we have the pectineus, the one that's broken up here, going that way. Alright, so we're done here. And then we have this one coming straight. This is the sartorius. This is a thin one going straight. We have the vastus lateralis, which is this one right here on the side. In the middle, like the hot dog, is the vastus intermedius. Then we have the vastus.
The hot dog is the
rectus femoris. Vastus medialis. You should have talked. Vastus intermedius in here in the middle. Okay. Now we did we identify? No, this one? Okay. So now we have the biceps femoris, which is transected. And the tensor fascia latae, that's the muscle up here. This is the fascia latae. This is the up here. If you go all the way up, right here is the gluteus maximus. This is the cordofemoris. Is it cordofemoralis or cordofemoris? Cordofemoris. And also the Cordofemoralis. These we already identified: semi-tendinous, semi-membranous muscle. This is the gastric nimius, calcaneal tendon. Because calcaneus is the bone. Calcaneal tendon over here. We already identified this. This is the vastus lateralis. What else? Where? This one?
We did already.
Oh, yeah.
All done.
Okay. Alright, so that's all set. What is this one?
Sartorius.
Sartorius. Okay. Alright, so then this is the obturator nerve. This is the
common
peroneal, which is also the fibular. And this is the tibial nerve. The popliteal artery is this one back here in the popliteal fossa. Did we do the gracilis on this side?
Yes, we did. The veins.
Alright, so then now the veins. This is the interior iliac vein.
Saphenio.
Oh, that's right. Well, the vein, but that's the vein. This is the interior iliac vein. And this is the exterior iliac vein.
Esophageal.
Vein.
This is...
But the vein is different than the artery.
Apa